Yep. Go. Head. All right, what you got going on here, Slash?
Yeah.
We got the KC pizza. What is
That's
it?
right.
Burn
This
ends?
is burn ends. That's
Burn
what it
ends.
is.
You
Yeah.
got peppers.
We
You
got
got
flour for the dough. We got baking powder. We got salt. Mixed it all together. Laid it all out. We slapped it all down with some barbecue sauce.
look at that cheddar here. You got a sharp cheddar
That's
cheese
it.
on
We
there.
got orange peppers. We've
Oh,
got
Man,
caramelized onions under there. We got burnt ends from brisket all on top, and we layered it
Beautiful.
with cheddar cheese. And there it is.
here it is. Go Kansas City. And you got this
Philly.
oh,
Over here we got ourselves a Philly cheesesteak
There we
pizza.
go.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm
down
telling
on the bottom here,
you.
on top of the dough, same dough as this, we have a garlic cream sauce,
Got
and then underneath that we have the peppers and the onions and the shaved steak
Oh,
with a layer of provolone cheese on top.
from the
Good
city
to
of
go.
brotherly love.
That's it. The only thing that we can't decide right now is which pizza goes in the oven first.
Which one's
Oh.
going in?
We need coin toss.
I think we're gonna have
We
to
need
do
a coin toss.
We're gonna have to do a coin toss.
Just like the Super Bowl.
All right.
Want to do the coin
People
toss?
might bet on
Toss
this.
right there. Get your Pit
All right.
Boys.
All right. What's
coin.
what
That's
call?
it.
What's that? The beat.
Okay, the one on top is heads. That's heads right there.
Barbecue. All right.
Okay, so heads,
Goes to.
the Eagles goes first. Tails, Kansas City goes
All right.
first. Are we ready?
Yep.
Oh, heads.
Looks like
Heads.
the Eagles are going.
Yep. Eagles are going.
Hey, Eagles are going to eat KC any day.
That's it.
City of brotherly love.
That's right.
We got Patrick
we love
Mahomes and
KC.
Jalen Hurts.
All right, let's
go.
get it going,
We're
man.
going in the oven.
All right. Philly representing right there.
Say it's snack food. This is the part where the pit masters are gonna eat it in front of you, and we're not apologizing, man. So we gotta check this out.
Right.
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia
Eagles.
Woo.
Good luck, boys.
Look at this.
See that garlic cream cheese thing you did?
Philly wins.
Wow.
No doubt about it. We don't need the case.
Philly
Philly
cheesesteak
We haven't
all the
tried
way.
the other one yet.
We don't need to. This is awesome. Well done. This is about what? 1.5 pounds, this piece right
Oh,
here.
yeah. Well, I guess we'll have to try the Kansas City one next. Tough jobs. Sorry.
Bring the KC out.
We'll be back.
We gotta be fair, right?
We'll be fair.
Pizza. It's about $8 an end, man. How much does pizza cost? KC.
The KC Burns Pizza. Kansas City.
All right, this is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you, and we're not apologizing. And then this is the KC burnt end brisket
Burn
pizza.
ends. Burn
gotta
end
be kidding.
pizzas. Yeah.
Now you got to load your favorite sauce
Yeah,
on,
yeah.
of course. Now,
Our favorite.
will this beat the Philly?
We'll see.
I don't know.
That was really good.
I mean, it's about $500 worth of burnt ends here, so in that case it should. But other than that, this looks awesome, man. Well done, Slasher.
Yeah, here we are.
All right.
Burn end pizza.
Burnt end pizza, classic pizza.
Get it,
All right,
All right,
Get
Fame, grab him.
look at this.
Get
Now,
it. Get it.
This brisket will fall apart. It'll melt in your mouth. We'll maybe show you later, but we're gonna eat first. Watch it.
Oh, that's slamming banging.
That's really good. Man,
Wow.
Okay.
nice thin crust.
This could be a good call.
Wow.
I'm not sure
Wow,
I'm gonna
no.
be able to decide between the two, man. The Kansas City.
This
or
is
the
tough.
Philly.
I think we have to wait till Sunday.
Or maybe what we do is just do it all over again, and we can have a second shot at this and decide there.
Oh, wow.
I think the rest would even have a problem with it.
Well, you choose. We have, we're just not
choose.
gonna tell you. We're not gonna tell you. Except the Patriots should have been in the game anyway, but that's another story. Here comes the hate, right?
KC loves burnt ends. That's it.
All right.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQ Pit Boys.com. Man.
All right.